I'm just kind of curious, how many are out in the crowd that played for Coach Pittis? Raise your hand if you were part of the pit crew. Yeah, all right, outstanding. Our next inductee is Mr. Bryce Cook, who coached at Edmonds High School and Woodway High School and Edmonds Woodway High School. Coach Cook taught in the Edmonds School District for 30 years. He was the head wrestling coach at Edmonds High School from 1963 to 1966 and head wrestling coach at Woodway High School from 1967 to 1990. He also was the co-head wrestling coach at Edmonds Woodway High School from 1991 to 93. In all, Coach Cook won 4 Wesco titles, 1972, 1982, 83, and 84. He coached 6 individual state champions. He was named the 1989 3A Wrestling Coach of the Year and compiled an impressive 255, 103, and 2 dual meet record. He served as Washington State Wrestling Coaches Association officer for 4 years and was inducted into the Washington State Wrestling Coaches Hall of Fame in 1994. He worked with Mike Hess and his brother Bruce Cook in 1974 to start the Wrestling Rhinos, currently the longest running wrestling club in the state and still going strong. And those of you that were around when the earth was cooling, to be able to see a dual meet, a dual match between Meadowdale and Woodway in what was known as the Great Cook-Off. It was one of the greatest venues in the district, and you had to get there early because it was standing room only. And I remember many a time that I actually had to, sit in the aisle. If I could find room, I could actually sit in the aisle. But it was just a great event. Ladies and gentlemen, please join me in welcoming Coach Cook into the Edmonds Woodway High School Athletic Hall of Fame. We would like to present this plaque to his grandson, Dylan Grenard. Speaking on behalf of Coach Cook tonight is one of Coach Cook's wrestlers, Kevin Judkin.
It's really bittersweet being up here. Unfortunately, Bryce couldn't be here for health reasons, but it's really an honor to be up here. Especially with all the inductees, it's amazing. I was really fortunate to go through the Edmonds School District in the time when all these people were coaching. And I was an athlete. I don't know if I call myself an athlete. I wrestled. I probably didn't even wrestle. I was on his team. I guess I can say that. I wasn't a very good athlete, as Mike was kind of talking about earlier. I had a better jump shot than I had a double leg shot, but I still wrestled because my older brothers wrestled. But you know what? Bryce treated me just as well as he treated the best athletes on his team. He got me into coaching my junior year when I had knee surgery. He encouraged me to go down to middle school and start coaching. Came back my senior year and I wrestled, and I had the debut I wrestled, I guess I can call it that. But then when I graduated, he taught me into coming back and starting to coach. So it was really fortunate I got to coach with him for a number of years and then get a head job and actually coach against him. So I've been through all the phases that I was an athlete for him, I coached with him, and I got to coach against him. And I'm kind of proud that I gave him a couple of those losses there in the last couple of years that he's coaching, but his final year he did get me. So a couple things. One is I'm very honored to accept this on behalf of the Cook family, Fernanda and Christy and Mark, I guess couldn't be here today. But some of the resume things he talked about, that he did coach 6 state champions, but he actually coached way more than that. Brian Elliott from Everett's here. He wrestled for Bryce, and he's had a number of state champions. I've been fortunate enough to have a number of state champions. And if you talk to Brian, I know we've talked before, every one of those titles was partly because of Coach Cook. So when you talk about it, he's probably had closer to 30 state champions, really, when you start looking at that. He's also was inducted into the National Coaches Hall of Fame also. The other thing you notice about a lot of these coaches is they didn't only coach one sport. What you didn't hear about Bryce is one year Bryce and Roger Myers coached soccer. And I remember running into Bryce and said, "You're coaching what? Soccer?" And he goes, "Yeah." I said, "What do you know about soccer?" "Oh, nothing." It was right after the game, and I asked him, "How did it go today?" "Oh, who won? I said, between you and Roger, I guarantee you don't know anything about soccer. Because all we did was we were losing 2-0 at halftime, so we just threatened the kids that we would make them run the whole next practice. We won 3-2. He was quite a motivator. He was very competitive too. One of the things he's going to really like to hear tonight is that he's actually getting inducted before Mike Hess. That's going to be a big one for him. He's going to be very happy to hear that. So, he is competitive. We love him dearly. I know he's been a big part of my life. He's been the biggest reason of my successes, and it's my honor to be up here and speak for Bryce Cook. Thank you.